Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to take the Cuda out on the main road for the first time. That's right, we're going for a test drive. It's been a long time coming, doing a lot of projects on the car, but I think we're finally ready to get it out and see how she handles the open road. Let's go for a ride.
Well, so far so good. She's running pretty good. A little bit of smoothness, drivability issues you're gonna have to work on, like low RPMs in like first gear. But the biggest thing I noticed, definitely has a vibration, which I kind of expected with going with a shorter drive shaft and the gear benders. But around 3,000 RPM, I can kind of feel it coming on, and my drivability below that is pretty good. It's probably far enough out. I think we're gonna find a good spot, turn it around, head back before we get too far out. Have any issues possibly, but man, does it feel good to drive the Cuda. This is pretty awesome. Steering feels good. Real impressed with that upgrade. All the gauges are working well. Temperature is nice and cool. It's probably about 180 right where the thermostat is. I have a 180 stat in it. Oil pressure is good. I have just under a half tank of gas. Volts are right about 12 and a half, so for right now we're cruising at 45 and fourth at 2,000 with the 373. Definitely have a major header leak. Already put new collector gaskets in, so those sealed up good, but I know it's at the header to the cylinder head, so we gotta find a spot we can turn around. That's dirt road. All right, all right. Take it easy on the clutch right now. This, the twin disc here, they recommended about 500 miles of braking, so kind of a bummer. I was wanting to get on it, but honestly, I really even can't with that vibration right now. We're gonna have to look into that, see, check our pinion angles and drive shaft angles and all that. But man, it just feels great to be driving this thing. I feel like once that vibration is gone, I can just keep on driving it, you know? Like I said, there's a little bit of tuning with the carb I'll have to do. But man, is this awesome! Woohoo! Yeah! Man, four-wheel drums though, holy smokes! That leaves a lot to be desired. You definitely don't want to have any emergency stops with this thing. You definitely want to plan ahead. Keep plenty of distance between the cars. Man, my alternator gauge, my volt gauge just started really bouncing around a lot. It's totally pegged right now. Oh, that's got me a little nervous. We're about a mile and a half from home. Huh. That's really strange. All the other gauges look good, but the volts are way up.
Well guys, I'd say that went pretty well. I'm pretty happy with the test drive. We definitely have a few little issues we have to sort out. One of them might not be so little, but we definitely have a vibration in the drivetrain. I was kind of expecting I'd have to do something, and you know, the first test drive I went down in my street, I did notice a vibration, so I threw actually a shim in there, and this time went out on the main road, got the RPMs up a little higher, higher vehicle speed as well. It wasn't as bad, but gonna have to do something. So, but the good news is the car itself ran well, performed good. There wasn't a leak under the car. Let's check the engine bay. The fuel pressure seems stable. Again, my coolant, that's all sealed up good. Radiator, man, she ran nice and cool. The temperature didn't budge. Granted, it's not a real hot day. The power steering box, man, that thing performed awesome. I was really enjoying the feel. It almost needs like a wider front tire to offer a little more resistance with that power steering now, you know. But let's see what else, you know. Definitely have the headers are leaking at the cylinder head. I know before they were leaking at the collector, so before this ride I put new collector gaskets in, and those are sealed up pretty good, but gonna have to put new header gaskets on up at the cylinder head. So new gaskets, gonna have to try to figure out this drivetrain vibration, but overall she ran well, you know, and as well the alternator. So the alternator, gaskets, and vibration. Just picked up this really slick angle finder from Summit. Intercomp, it's all digital. That thing's pretty slick. So I've used it once now and I really like it. It's so much easier trying to, I'll show you the old one I was trying to use, but this is great. You can do a zero out, you can press a hold that way. If you're at an angle underneath the car, you can't see it, press hold, take it away, and you can read your angle, right? Super handy. So plus it's lit up, so it's gonna be a great tool, and it has magnets, so I can crawl under there and stick it to the yokes or whatnot and try to figure out what's going on. But I was trying to use this crazy thing that I had before, and man, that ain't gonna cut it. That needle bounces all around, and if it's not perfectly still and if you don't have a good line of sight, you just can't read the thing. So anyway, pick this up so I can help try to figure out what I'm got going on with my angles. But anyway guys, that was it for today, man. We took the Cuda out on the road, and most importantly, we made it back without having to call a friend, you know, and the car itself ran well. Have some things to sort out. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, I appreciate it, and make sure you subscribe. And see you guys next time.